11 Step-by-Step Guide to Start a Data-Driven Marketing Strategy. Creating a successful data-driven marketing strategy can be a complex and time-consuming process. To get started, gathering and centralizing data about current customers is crucial, and this can be done through consumer interactions, surveys, and third-party data sources. Analyzing this data for trends and patterns can help identify target markets and create personalized customer experiences. It is also important to categorize your target audience into groups so separate marketing campaigns can be tailored to each group. Finally, data-driven marketing relies on real-time insights, so staying current on the latest trends and tools is vital. By following these steps, marketers can develop a comprehensive data-driven marketing strategy that meets customer expectations and helps achieve the desired results. 1. Track your website interactions. Creating a successful data-driven marketing strategy starts with tracking your website interactions. This will help you understand how visitors interact with your website, allowing you to identify areas of improvement and opportunities for growth. 1. Start by installing Google Analytics on your website. This will allow you to track the number of visitors, page views, time spent on each page, and other vital metrics. 2. Set up goals in Google Analytics to measure your website's performance over time. Goals could include things like newsletter sign-ups or product purchases. 3. Track user behavior by creating events in Google Analytics that will give you insights into how users interact with your site. For example, if a user clicks on a product page, you can create an event to track that action. 4. Finally, use the data from Google Analytics to optimize your website and improve the user experience. This could include A/B testing different page designs or adding new features. 2. Gather and centralize data about current customers. Data-driven marketing strategies are becoming increasingly popular as businesses leverage data to understand their customers better and create more effective campaigns. To get started, it's crucial to gather and centralize data about current customers, and this will provide a foundation for understanding customer behavior, preferences, and needs. The first step is to collect customer data from all available sources. This includes customer surveys, website analytics, social media interactions, and other data points that can provide insight into customer behavior. It's also important to consider the data types most relevant to your business. For example, if you're a retail store, you may want to focus on purchase history and customer demographics. 3. Analyze the data for trends and patterns. Once the data has been gathered and centralized, it's time to analyze it for trends and patterns. This can help identify target markets, create personalized customer experiences, and develop more effective marketing campaigns. Identify trends. Analyzing the data can help identify trends in customer behavior, preferences, and needs. This can be done manually or through automated tools such as machine learning algorithms. Look for patterns. Look for patterns in the data that can help identify customer segments, target markets, and other insights. This can be done by looking at customer demographics, purchase history, website behavior, and more. Create reports. Once trends and patterns have been identified, create reports to share with stakeholders. These reports should include key findings and recommendations on using the data to improve marketing campaigns. 4. Categorize your target audience into groups. When creating a data-driven marketing strategy, one of the most critical steps is categorizing your target audience into groups. This will help you better understand who your customers are and what they need from you. You can create more targeted campaigns tailored to each group's specific needs and interests by segmenting your audience. First, gather data on customer demographics, interests, and behaviors. This will help you create more effective campaigns tailored to each group. 5. Create separate marketing campaigns for each target group. Creating separate marketing campaigns for each target group is crucial in developing a data-driven marketing strategy. By segmenting your audience into different groups, you can make more targeted and effective campaigns to reach the right people with the right message. Here is a step-by-step guide to creating various marketing campaigns for each target group. 1. Identify your target groups. The first step is identifying your target groups. This can be done by analyzing customer data and segmenting them into distinct groups based on their demographics, interests, and behaviors. 2. Create a unique message for each group. Once you have identified your target groups, it's time to create a unique message for each group. This should be tailored to the needs and interests of each group so that they will be more likely to engage in your campaigns. 3. Test your campaigns. Before launching any campaigns, it's essential to test them first. This will help ensure that the campaigns are effective and reach the right people with the right message. 6. Data-driven marketing relies on real-time insights. Data-driven marketing relies on real-time insights to make informed decisions about how to reach best and engage with customers. It involves collecting data, analyzing it, and using the results to create targeted marketing campaigns to meet each customer's needs and preferences. Real-time insights provide marketers with actionable information they can use to improve their strategies. By understanding customer behavior, marketers can better target their messages and tailor content to meet their audience's needs. This helps increase engagement, which in turn leads to higher conversion rates. 7. Have a clear understanding of your target audience. Creating a successful data-driven marketing strategy requires having a clear understanding of your target audience. Knowing whom you're targeting and what they are can help you craft the right message and deliver it to the right people at the right time. To get started, consider the following steps. 1. Identify your target audience. Define your ideal customer persona. Think about their age, gender, income level, interests, and any other demographic information that could be useful in targeting them with your marketing efforts. 2. Research your audience. Once you have identified your target audience, Research more about them to better understand their needs and preferences. Look for insights into their buying behaviors, interests, lifestyle choices, and more. 8. Review your analytics to decide what activities to start, stop, or scale. To create a successful data-driven marketing strategy, you need to review your analytics and use the information to make decisions about your business. This will ensure that you're focusing on the proper channels and tactics that are most likely to drive results for your business. To get started, begin by gathering all your data from various sources such as web analytics, social media metrics, email performance reports, etc. Once you have all the data in one place, you can begin analyzing it to identify trends and patterns. Look closely at conversion rates, customer retention rates, and website traffic sources to find out what works well and what needs improvement. Once you have identified areas that need improvement, you can create a plan of action to optimize them. This could involve different testing messages, optimizing landing pages, or experimenting with new channels. 9. Create your team and set your data-based goals. Creating a successful data-driven marketing strategy requires the right team with the right skills and experience. You can set your data-based goals with the right team and begin implementing your plan. Here's a step-by-step guide to getting started. 1. Identify your team. The first step is identifying who will be on your data-driven marketing team. This should include individuals with expertise in analytics, digital marketing, and customer insights. Depending on the size of your organization, you may need additional resources such as a web developer or content writer. 2. Set goals. Once you have identified your team, it's time to set goals for what you want to achieve. These goals should be based on the data you've collected and analyzed. Make sure your goals are SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. 3. Develop your plan. Now it's time to develop your data-driven marketing plan. This should include detailed steps for how you will reach your goals as well as a timeline for implementation. 10. Determine key performance indicators, KPI. Determining key performance indicators, KPIs, is critical when creating a data-driven marketing strategy. KPIs are metrics that measure the performance of your marketing activities, allowing you to track progress and make informed decisions about future campaigns. The first step in determining KPIs is to identify your goals. What do you want to achieve with your marketing efforts? You should be able to answer this question for your campaigns or objectives. Once you have identified your goals, you can define the metrics that will help you measure progress toward them. When selecting KPIs, it's important to choose relevant and actionable metrics. Relevant metrics are about the campaign's goal, and actionable metrics are the ones you can use to make decisions and act on. 11. Commit to the plan. The first step in creating a data-driven marketing strategy is committing to the plan. This means that you must be willing to invest the time, energy, and resources into ensuring your data-driven marketing strategy is successful. To commit to the plan, you should first define your goals and objectives for the strategy. It would be best if you also determined how much time, money, and resources you are willing to devote to achieving these goals. Once this information has been established, you can create an actionable implementation plan. You should also identify any challenges or obstacles that may stand in the way of success and develop strategies for overcoming them. Additionally, you should create a timeline for each step of the process to track progress and adjust as needed. Conclusion. In conclusion, creating a successful data-driven marketing strategy requires careful planning and commitment. You can gain valuable insights into how users interact with your website by tracking website interactions, setting goals, and creating events in Google Analytics. Also, if you commit to the plan and develop strategies to overcome any obstacles that stand in your way, you will be able to reach your goals more quickly. With these steps, you can build a successful data-driven marketing strategy today.